So today Volkswagen Passat P6 rear coil springs replacement, shock absorbers, as well the new strut mounts. I recommend to take, probably the old ones are cut. Part number for such mounts, absorber, two coil springs. So let's start. And now the reason why changing the coil springs, as you can see, this one is broken. The struts are rusty and the other side is leaking and the dust boots, bumper stop and everything is gone. So let's see how it comes loose. Now let's release the spring holding pen, pretty much supported with another check underneath 18mm winch from this side to hold, and here then press it loose. Make sure to put the jack under. Obviously this one is the broken side, so here won't be much pressure on it, but should support anyway. Once we get this released, we can get the spring out, then we can easily take out the shock absorber itself as well. But here is enough room. If you are going to change the shock absorbers alone without springs, then you have enough clearance here to take it out. Once the bolt is out, lower the jack and the spring falls out pretty much. And this is the leftover of it. This rubber part we carry over to the new spring. That's the old one. Now, once we got the coil spring out, take 21mm to blast this nut loose. Then we have to take Torx 25 to take this bolt out to move the plastic away, and there are up two bolts which are holding the mount with the absorber in place. Torx TX 25. Take this small bolt out so we can move the plastic away. Set it aside. Now we have access to second bolt as well. The upper bolts, 16mm socket. Take them out and start should fall down. Obviously the new dust covers we did as well, because the old ones are pretty much gone. The plastic part is okay, but just the rubber part it's nasty. And the part number, product, and pretty much what you do here. Take this, I'll lube it up a little bit, press it in. Now putting this nut back on, take the vice grips, hold from rubber part from here, because you need actually a special socket. So as you can see, I can't reach to this pump over here. There's a special slot. There are on sale special sockets where is a big opening on top of it where you can hold it and then you can wrench it together. But I did this method that because I do not have those sockets today, but I will buy them after this job. And before you're going to install the new shock absorbers, then make like 3 or 4 cycles. Press it in, let it come up, press it in, let it come up, before you put it under the car. The upper bolts are back on. To put the lower one, use the hand, press the new shock in far enough to feed the bolt in and hold it with one hand, and the other one turn it in. Press the new spring, use this rubber brushing, put it back. Place this one over here. Here is the slot where it has to go. It will sit. Now comes the best part. Take this other check and check it up until you can put this bolt back in. As you can see, the other check is down here at the arm. Start pressing it up. Be careful. If the spring rockets out, then we have a problem. Slow and steady. You can use your hand to wiggle it, place it. Now it's time to feed the bolt through and see. Now the other side strut lower bolt gives me a little bit headache. So I have a little bit over 1 meter bar for doing the lower strut bolt. This is how the old one looks. Look at this pushing inside here, and when I force it down, it won't even go up. So yeah, definitely this one. This side is short as well. So now both sides are completed. New struts, new coil springs, everything back together. New dust covers with the bump stop, new strut mounts, and pretty much that's it.